Today I'll show you exactly how to open a Telegram link from your desktop computer, and you'll come away knowing how to connect your account securely, whether you want to use Telegram's web version or you're not ready to install the desktop app. By the end, you'll know how to access any Telegram group, channel, or message link right from your computer quickly and safely. Let's get started. Suppose someone sent you a Telegram link. Maybe it's an invitation to a group chat, a new channel, or even a forwarded message. The first thing you'll want to do is simply click that link in your web browser. This might sound obvious, but clicking the link is the fastest way to see what it's about. Sometimes the link will automatically try to launch Telegram's desktop app if you have it installed. If you don't have the app or you'd prefer not to use it, don't worry, you've got other options. If you want to avoid installing anything on your computer, Telegram's web version is your best friend. Just open up your favorite browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you prefer, and type in webtelegram.org. Hit enter and you'll land on the official Telegram web page. The interface here is lightweight but powerful, with almost all the familiar features you get in the app. Now here, where things get a little interesting, especially if it's your first time using Telegram on the web. Before you can access your chats or any links, Telegram needs to make sure you're really you. So you'll see a big QR code on the screen, along with instructions on how to link your account. This might seem daunting, but it's actually a really secure way to log in without typing out your phone number or password. All you need is your phone in hand, with the Telegram app installed and logged in. Open your Telegram app, tap on the menu, the three lines in the corner, and find the Devices or Settings option. There should be a button that says Scan QR Code. Tap that, point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen, and voila, you're connected. It's just like using a digital pass to board a train. The QR code is your ticket, and scanning it verifies your identity. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get the QR scan lined up. Sometimes the camera struggles with bright screens or odd angles. If it doesn't work right away, just gently adjust your phone's position and make sure the code is centered in the frame. Once it scans, your Telegram account will instantly sync to your browser, and you'll see all your chats and messages appear. From here, any Telegram link you click, whether it was sent by email, on social media, or anywhere else, will open right in Telegram web. You can join channels, chat with friends, or access resources all from your desktop. This method is super helpful if you're using a shared computer or managing multiple accounts and want to keep things separate from your main app. And there you have it, a straightforward way to open Telegram links and connect securely from any desktop computer without installing a thing. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. If you have any questions or if you ran into a problem at any stage, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.